Presenting a pre-owned 2016 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and a 4-speed manual transmission. This GMC has less than 112,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, and window defogger.